In today's video, I'm going to show you KreditBee coupon code for processing fee. If you're applying for a loan on KreditBee and hoping to save on processing fees, there are several active coupon codes that can deliver significant discounts or even eliminate the fee entirely. For first-time users with video KYC, the code KUEPR6 offers a full 100% waiver on processing fees, while First 80 gives an 80% discount for similar eligibility. These codes are fairly current and provide excellent value when applying through the app, as you can see in here in this site called Deals Deco. Beyond those, there's Loan 50, which slashes 50% of the processing fee for personal loans, new users only, and Save 25, offering a 25% discount on business loans that still require video KYC. Additionally, KB20 offers a 20% discount for all users regardless of loan type. Expect more short-lived options like KB90 today, which delivers a 90% discount, and KB50 off, offering a flat 50% off that may appear intermittently. Other sources list even more codes targeting salaried applicants. For example, UPLoad, EPR4, CUE100, and SBL100. All claim to offer full fee waivers, with conditions involving PAN plus Aadhaar, submission, or video KYC. Additionally, codes like FLT090, KBPL95, CUPR6, again, PACE85, and GAIN75 provide discounts ranging from 75 to 95% based on loan type and user status. This is how to apply these in the app. Once you're in the KreditBee app and filling out your loan application, you'll eventually reach a screen showing your loan summary including the processing fee. Look for an option labeled Apply Coupon Code or Promo Code just before confirmation. Enter the code exactly, codes are case sensitive, and tap Apply to see if the fee drops as advertised. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.